I don't give two shits.
Give it to me.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Fuck you.
That's for him to do.
Shut up.
Quit walking in it then. Just getting brighter, which is great.
Why do you think I'm going to remind you of my
You could, like the ravioli can, you could grab it and put it inside like the bag.